Yo, I'm telling you right now, you don't need any other RGB lights after watching this video. Trust me. What up, y'all? Tight Shirt Terry Warfield back in the building. I hope you're having a good day so far. If this is your first time here, yo, a big fat welcome to you. And if you're part of the fam, you're part of the squad, and you came back, welcome back. By the time this video goes up, we should be at 17,000 people in the family, in the squad. I appreciate y'all so much. And I just got over COVID. I got a fresh haircut. You know what I'm saying? I haven't had a haircut in like 2 months. So, you know, I got my hair all in a ponytail or a man bun or man-tail. What do they call these things anyways? But anyways, peep the freshness right there, the sauce. But what are we talking about today in this video? Like I told you, after watching this, I don't think you'll need any other RGB lights because after using the Aputure MCs, I don't really think you need to. Knew they was gonna pull me over, man. My Jeep is too clean. Now, full disclosure, Aputure did send me these lights, okay? They did not, however, tell me I needed to make any content for them or that I was under any type of obligation to create anything. So these are my thoughts. Aputure does not get to approve this video. They don't even get to see the video, but I did want to say thank you to Aputure. And as y'all know, they are the gold standard when it comes to industry lighting and creative lighting. So thank you, Aputure, for sending these over. Thankfully for y'all, I don't have a lot of negative stuff to say about these Aputure MCs. So what I want to do in this video is show you the kit that I got, let you know how it works, and ultimately what I think about it, and then you can take that and do whatever you want to do with it, okay? So what did I get from Aputure? They sent over their 4-light MC kit. Now I will leave the links in the description for the single lights, the 4-light kit, and also they have a 12-light travel kit, which is boss, but it is hella expensive. But all of those will be in the description. In my opinion, the best value between all of them is probably the 4-light kit that I got. Now you can buy these little lights at about $100 a pop, but I think you should get the 4-light kit because once you have one of them, I promise you, you will want more. So you might as well just get the kit that comes with 4. So let's break open the kit and talk about it. Now it comes in this nice box. It's a nice box, and when you crack it open, you are presented with this CIA style, like nuclear code briefcase carrying this thing right here. I got stuff falling out everywhere. And also this right here, another carrying case that comes with a lot of nice stuff in it. So let's talk about the carrying case first. 2 diffusers which go on top of the Aputure MCs to soften the light, to give you that look right there and that look right there. Those are both MCs that we're using right now. Also, you get cold shoe adapters in case you wanted to mount these on top of a camera, and each MC also has a 1/4-20 mount right on the bottom, and you get a lot of 3M tape. I haven't used any, but it's there if you want it. So moving on to the actual case itself, like I said, this is like the nuclear codes briefcase right here, right? You open it up and there's 4 Aputure MCs inside. Now the dope thing about this case is, number 1, it is super high quality. Number 2, there's actually batteries inside the case, and you charge the case similar to how you do with like wireless earbuds and stuff like that. You put all 4 MCs inside the case, and the case charges all 4 of the MCs. Now, the dope thing about the MCs is you can charge these wirelessly. I was actually using my MagSafe charger to charge one of these, but the case also charges them wirelessly. Plus they have a USB-C port on the side, and the cable does come in the box. Now on the outside of them, like I said, you get a 1/4-20 mount. You do get a little mini LCD to kind of show you what's going on, your on and off switch, USB-C port, and your multi-function selector wheel, which we'll talk about that in 1 second. Now the dope thing about these is they are magnetic. So they're small, they're magnetic. I found myself in a power outage about a month and a half ago, slapping these on a refrigerator, hanging them on metal lights that we have to light everything, and the battery life is about 2 hours at full power. Now if you aren't at full power, obviously the battery will last longer, but you're getting about 2 hours of pop when it comes to battery life. Now One thing I love about these are all of the creative effects that are built into them. So you'll see them kind of sprinkled throughout this video. There's like a party setting, there's police cars, there's like a fireplace, there's a setting for fire, broken lights, all types of stuff. All of those creative things are built right into it, and you don't need an app to do any of that stuff. However, you can use the app if you want to, which we're going to talk about in 1 second. So before we move forward, if you like this video so far, if you're getting value out of it, you like the sauce, you think it's dope, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. And if you haven't liked it, go ahead and give me one of these real quick. Some of y'all don't understand how important this freaking thumb. Y'all don't understand how a like helps this video out. So if you haven't done so, take care of that now. Now, a few things about the app. Aputure has an app called Sidus Link, and you can get it on Android. You can also get it on iOS. What this app does is if you have any Aputure lights, whether it's MCs, whether it's any of their studio lights or anything like that, if they're part of their newer series, they already have the hardware built into them to talk back and forth with the Sidus app. If you don't have an Aputure light that talks to the Sidus app, you can't get an adapter to adapt that light to then be able to talk to the Sidus app. What the Sidus app does is it allows you to control everything on your set, whether it's a YouTube set, whether it's a film set, no matter where you are, with one freaking app, which is, it's ridiculous to be honest with you. So for example, if I wanted to change these two lights right here, let me open up the Sidus app and show you how easy it is. So boom, I got my iPhone out, go to Sidus Link, and easily I can just, look at that. Look at that. I'm just moving the little color wheel around, and I can change that however I want to. Usually to do this, you have to get like gels to put on top of lights and stuff like that. With the Sidus app, as long as you have a multicolor LED, you can do everything right from the app. But again, you can change temperatures of lights, you can turn lights on and off, you can group lights together. It is wild what the Sidus Link app does. Now my favorite thing about it is the color picker tool. Let me show you how it works. Yo, I gotta interrupt real quick. Every single video y'all ask me where the sound effects came from, where the music came from. So let me just tell you right now, everything in this video, music, sound effects, all of it came from Epidemic Sound. If you want to try them out free for 30 days, hit the link below in the description, and also in the pinned comment of this video. You can try it out free for 30 days. Everything you create within that 30 days is covered, and if you want to continue the membership, then continue the membership. If not, you can just cancel it. So anyways, link is down there. Let's go. All right, now let me show y'all how dope this color picker tool is. So right now, I got a shoe on the table and the Aputure MC. It's like a bluish white color right now, but let's just say I wanted that to match the colors of the shoe. All I do is go into my Aputure Sidus app. There's a picker tab right here. I hope you can see it. You press that, and then there's a green button right here. You press this green button, and then it starts looking for colors. So whatever you point that center part at, and I'm sure you can move that around if you wanted to, you hit pick up, and then boom, your MC adopts the same color as whatever the Sidus app just scanned. How freaking dope is that? If you do any type of B-roll, product photography, and you want your RGB to match whatever your subject is, this Sidus app is super accurate when it comes to picking colors out of, you know, whatever it is you taking pictures of. So another dope feature, man. I love these things. Honestly, the Sidus Link app is what sets Aputure apart from the quality and all of the power and stuff that they have. That's the one thing that sets them apart. You can literally use the Sidus app to control anything that is Sidus Link enabled, which is game changing, right? So I know there's a ton of other RGB lights out there. I get offers to review them all the time. However, I don't feel like I need to after using these because they are that freaking good. So in a nutshell, I really do not have anything negative to say about the Aputure MCs. I mean, could the battery life be a little better? I don't know. 2 hours is actually quite enough. I really don't have anything negative to say about them. It is ridiculous how versatile they are. You can slap them on anything magnetic. You can mount them to tripod. You can control 1, 3, 12 of them at a time. When it comes to the Sidus Link app, you can change whatever colors you want. You can use them for rim lights, hair lights, background accent lights, B-roll. Like, I use these for B-roll all the time. It is endless what you can do with this freaking light kit. But anyways, like I said, I will put the link to them in the description. I'm not saying that these are better than other RGB lights out there because I haven't used the other RGB lights out, but what I am saying is if you want quality lights and you want them to work and you want all of this power in your pocket, I would definitely recommend checking these out. A lot of y'all know how dope these things are already, but let me know what y'all think about these little Aputure MC lights down in the description. I'm gonna be down there hanging out with y'all, like I said. And look at this, you can also like put them together. Ain't that dope? But anyways, that's all I got for y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video if you made it this far. Peace and chicken grease. I am out, Terry Warfield. Peace.